Hi everyone, it is day 3 of the 12 days of OpenAI, and what do we have today? We have Sora. Sora is here. Sora is a new image and video generation and manipulation tool by OpenAI that they are releasing to the public. We got a glimpse of this through some leaks back in February and some trial and restricted viewing of the system by some of the luminaries and special people in the community. But here it's now, and it's launched out for the general public. What OpenAI has done is they've created a special website here just to talk about Sora, give us a little bit of insight on what it can do, and they've set it up at its own separate website. So this isn't a part of ChatGPT specifically. It is at Sora.com. So we're going to take a look at that here in just a moment. Let's see what else we can tell about it before we dive right in. We can generate videos to high res, up to 20-second long, widescreen, vertical, square aspect ratios. You can bring your own assets to extend, remix, and blend. So this is pretty incredible. So you can bring in images and then manipulate those and have Sora do some fun things with that. Prompting it even with text and images. It's available by subscription. So here's a key thing people are going to want to know. This includes part of Plus account at no additional cost. You can generate up to 50 videos at this lower resolution or fewer videos at a higher resolution. And if you want more of Sora, go for the Pro plan, which we know about from last week. The Pro plan, $200 a month. So there's bound to be not as many people going for that one. But here you go. That's key to know. It doesn't look like it's going to be available for people with a free version of it. And what else can we say? Highlighted this here. Looking at the technical card information on Sora system, you take an existing still image and generate video from it, animating the image's contents with accuracy and attention to small detail. The model can also take an existing video and extend it or fill in missing frames. It serves as a foundation for models that can understand and simulate the real world, a capability we believe will be an important milestone for achieving AGI. And by AGI, they mean artificial general intelligence. Well, enough of that. Let's take a look. Trying to create a user account for Sora just a few minutes ago. It took a few minutes because it looks like it's being hit pretty hard. So this was released to the public today. A lot of people are creating accounts. You got to create a separate account here at Sora.com, and went and set mine up. They provide a little tutorial, which was nice. And we can see here we got a very familiar interface. And you're going to be able to keep track of videos you've made, your favorites, stuff you've uploaded, featured. So some organizational tools. It's nice to see that. Down here we got some buttons, how we can work with what Sora's putting. I'm sorry, I'm looking at this image here. This is so freaky. This head with the legs or something coming out of it. It's like a Medusa kind of thing. Wow. That's just something else. By Eric Walter Butler. Way to go, man. That's just nuts. Anyway, so we can choose the aspect ratio. We can choose the resolution, the duration, and how many variations we want on that. Pretty great. All right, well, let's just see what we can do. Let's dive right in. All right, so I want to see, let's go with something crazy, right? Something just weird. Show me a video of a blue goat running through the White House in the USA Capitol. Let's see what that comes up with. Service at capacity. Please try again later. Fantastic. Well, you can tell everybody is really eager to try this out because nothing is coming up. So for now, we're just going to take a look at what some of other folks have managed to generate so far. It's pretty incredible to see some of these things that it can produce by AI. Wow. Remarkable. This is almost like the launch of a new game, like an MMORPG or something like that, and everybody is just hitting pretty hard on those login servers, trying to get in there and trying to get to try it out. Poor OpenAI, they're just being slammed right now. But it is pretty cool. It's really incredible to think of what you can do with this sort of thing. Also kind of scary too. I mean, where's all the inspiration for this coming from? Some of these things look like they might be from documentary movies and things like that. What is the source for all this? Some of it looks kind of illustrated, almost like from games, but it's still pretty incredible. And it's going to be really neat to see what people do with this. Is it working now? No. Well, there you go, folks. This is the big reveal today on day 3 of the 12 days of OpenAI. Sora. And everybody's dying to try it out. Wonder who is able to actually get in there now. Well, thanks so much for checking this out. We'll do some more videos later. Once we get in there, we can actually try out Sora and come up with some content for that. We'll see what we can put together and share that with everybody else. Thank you for watching.